Did you know ostriches completely vanished from Saudi Arabia a century ago? Well, guess what? After 100 years, they're finally back. Welcome to Did You Know, your daily dose of amazing facts from FactBite Daily. Today, we're diving into the incredible story of the Arabian ostrich's return. Let's get straight into it. Fact number 1. The original Arabian ostrich, a subspecies native to the peninsula, was hunted to extinction in the early 20th century. A truly sad end for such a majestic bird. Fact number 2. Fast forward to December 2025. In a historic move, 5 red-necked ostriches were reintroduced into the massive Prince Mohammed bin Salman Royal Reserve. This marks the beginning of a new chapter for these incredible animals in Saudi Arabia. Fact number 3. Why the red-necked ostrich? It's the closest living relative to the extinct Arabian ostrich. Scientists see this as an ecological replacement, a way to fill the void left by its long-lost cousin and restore balance to the ecosystem. It's the next best thing to turning back time. Fact number 4. In ancient times, Arabs called the ostrich the camel bird because of its long neck and ability to thrive in the desert. These birds were so iconic they were even celebrated in poetry and ancient rock art, a true symbol of the Arabian wilderness. Fact number 5. This isn't just any reintroduction, it's a critical conservation effort. The red-necked ostrich is itself critically endangered, with fewer than 1,000 individuals left in its native African habitat. This project in Saudi Arabia gives the species another fighting chance for survival. Fact number 6. Ostriches are more than just big birds. They are ecosystem engineers. By eating fruits and dispersing seeds in their droppings, they help plants spread across vast distances. They also help control insect populations, playing a vital role in maintaining a healthy desert environment. Their return will have a ripple effect, benefiting the entire landscape. And our final fact, number 7. This ambitious project is a key part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030. The goal is to restore biodiversity across 30% of the country's land. The return of the ostrich is a powerful symbol of this commitment to healing the planet and bringing wildlife back from the brink. The Prince Mohammed bin Salman Royal Reserve is already a success story for rewilding. It has successfully reintroduced other native species like the Arabian oryx, sand gazelles, and mountain gazelles. The newly arrived ostriches will form a founder population, carefully managed to grow and eventually support a national breeding program, ensuring their long-term future in the wild. So, what shocked you more? The fact that ostriches were gone for 100 years, or that their camel bird legacy is finally returning to the desert? Let us know in the comments. Drop a bird emoji for the comeback, or a desert emoji for their historic return. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FactBite Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another incredible rewilding story. Thanks for watching.